Happy birthday, Ralph! May God's awesome blessings be upon you this day. And for the future years ahead, may His blessings never fade in every area of your life. So you may be a fruitful vine with the abundance of the Lord.
Isaiah 46:4. Even to your old age and gray hairs, I am He. I am He who will sustain you. I have made you and I will carry you. I will sustain you and I will rescue you.
Amen.
In apil ta ng NIV.
Wala.
Pasahod ta ng NIV. New International Version.
Kuya Rat!
Laruan din mo ba? New International
Ano ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi, tiya panood kita sa pagtugtog mo. Ang galing mo!